let's just take A. We're going to go through this pattern, and the first shape is like this. 1.5, 1, 1, and the reason that this is 1 is because it's really in 2 frets, and then 1.5, and then 1. Okay, and then we're going to continue this pattern. This is a root. 1.5, 1, 1, 1.5, 1, back to the root. Now this pattern that's very common in guitar ends on this note. So we throw in that extra note to complete the pattern. So we go through this, it's like this, and it's really easy. If you're going to use your fingers to remember it, it's 1, 4, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 4. Right? So if we're going to always want to use alternate picking with everything, obviously, and it's going to be like this. Okay? Sorry it's cold Chicago winter here, I'm kind of losing my voice, but let's take that now and let's go back, okay? So we're going to go back 1 step, and we're going to go into a different position, which the way that you want to play is to start with your 2nd finger on the 3rd fret and go up to the 5th fret, right? Now, this is just to get the pattern down. Once you know the notes, you use whatever fingers you want to accommodate whatever licks you're doing. But in order to get this pattern, you can either do 1, 3, or 2, 4. Honestly, I would say practice them both. I'm going to use 2, 4 for right now. So it's 2, 4, 2, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4. Okay? So that's really easy. Again, it's 2, 4, 2, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4. 2, 4, 2, 4. Now we're going to go to the next one that we just learned. 1, 4, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 4. Okay? It's really easy. So those 2 patterns is almost half the neck right here. Okay, so I don't want to confuse you here and be changing between saying frets and saying fingerings, okay? You don't want to really remember fret numbers or use fret numbers, because then you're not going to be able to translate it into other positions, right? So basically what we want to do is take 4 fingers and divide that into 4 fret spacings, right? And this is where we're going to come up with the fingering to use for these patterns, so that we can learn these patterns and then solo within the patterns, right? So once you learn the patterns, you got to figure out where's the other A's in it, so you know where to create licks around it to end on the A's, right? So let's continue here. For the next position after the main A one, we're going to go here, and again I'm going to go 4, divide my fingers into 4 frets and use these as the finger. Now going on, if we're going to go into the next pattern, we're going to start with our 2nd finger on the 8th fret. We're going to go to 8, then 10, then 7, 10, 7, 10, 7, 9, 8, 10, 8, 10, right? So you want to play this up and down, get the feel of it. Okay, the next one, we're going to play like this, and instead of having 4 fingers like that, this one moves a little bit, so we need to adjust for that. So the pattern is going to be like this. We're going to start on the 10th fret. We're going to go 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3. Then we're going to move back a fret. And here you can use 1, 4 or 1, 3. I suggest, if you want to do it fast, it's really up to you whether your pinky's in shape or not. Okay? Let's just use 1, 4 for now. It'll be 1, 4. Then we're going to move up a fret and down a string, another 1, 4. Then go down to the bottom fret and 1, 3. So backwards it'll be 3, 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1. Now again, this is kind of a weird one, just gotta go with it. Again, there's different variations of fingerings. You might find that you like 1, 3 better. 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3. Or even a 1, 3, 1, 4. 1, 4, 1, 3. You use a 1, 3 here. Okay? Really depends on, once you see these positions and you create licks out of them, you're going to know what fingerings to use. The next one and final one is, we're going to be on the 12th fret, and this one is 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 3, 1, 3, 2, 4, 1, 4. Okay? So it's 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 3, 1, 3, 2, 4, 1, 3. I mean 1, 4. 4 1, 4 2, 3 1, 3 1, 4 1, 4 1. Now we would just repeat the same thing as we did up here, but down here on the 15th fret. Now again, when you get up here and they get smaller, you might not want to go 1 4 1 4. You might want to go 1 3 1 3.